So the program declares two string variable, user and password. It prompts the user to type their credential to cin command capture this input from the keyboard. So diya mag-input na pod ang user. The program uses a series of the if else statement to compare to the user input against the hard-coded correct credentials, root, and password. It check for possible scenarios. So first scenario is successful login. The logical and ensures that the message "Thank you for logging in" and only appears if both the username and the password are exactly correct. So ang duha man ang ipangita nga variables, no, username and password. So sa pag correct ang gi-input sa user nga username o ang password, ang mogawas is successful login. So na pasabot sa first scenario. So second scenario is og correct ang username, then wrong ang password, then the inequality operator check if the password is wrong. If the username matches root but the password doesn't match password, it specifically identifies the error as an incorrect password. So mugawas na siya dito ang incorrect password. Ang magkasayop ang duwa. Sakto ang username then wrong ang passwords. Ang mugawas dito incorrect password na mugawas dito o wrong ang password. So 3 scenarios, so gibaler na siya. Then sakto ang password, then wrong ang username. So mugawas siya pa na siya dito nga incorrect username. So last scenario is mismatch. If none of the above condition are met, meaning both are wrong or their combinations, the program defaults to access denied. So kung both ang duha, ang password na ang username, both sila nga sayop, so ang bagawa sa is access denied.